On the topic home and industrial health earth connection. Earthing, also known as grounding, is one of the most fundamental yet critically important aspects of electrical energy. Whether in residential buildings or large scale industrial installation, a properly designed and implemented earth connection is essential for safety, equipment protection, and system stability. Let us beginning by understanding what earth actually means. In electrical system, earthing refers to the injection connection of the non-current carrying parts of equipment or the neutral point of a power system to the general mass of the earth. The earth acts as a vast reservoir that can safely absorb electrical faculties, lightning surges, and leakage current by providing a low resistance path to ground. Earthing present electric shock hazards, reduce fire risk, and protects electrical and electronic equipment from damage. In home installation, earthing is primarily focused on human safety. Every modern household contains numerous electrical appliances, refrigerators, washing machine, air conditioner, microwave, ovens, water heater, computer, and more. These appliances operate at voltage that can be in a fault occurs. Suppose an internal insulation failure causes the metal body of a washing machine to become live. Without proper earthing, touching the appliance could result in service electric shock. However, if the body is properly connected to earth, the fault current flows directly to the ground through a low resistance path. This causes protective devices such as circuit breakers or residentially current device RCDS to trip instantly, disconnecting the power supply and preventing harm. In industrial installation, earthing takes on even greater importance. Industrial operate heavy machinery, high power motors, transform switch generator, and control panels. The fault levels in industrial system are significantly higher than in domestic system. A minor fault in a industrial environmental can escalate into catastrophic equipment damage, protection, downtime, or even fatal accident. Therefore, industrial earthing systems are designed not only for person protection but also for equipment reliability, electromagnetic compatibility, and system performance stability. To understand the principle of working, we must consider Ohm's law and the concept of the fault current. When an insulation breakdown occurs, the fault current will down the path of least resistance. If the earth connection offers very low resistance, the majority of the fault current flows into the ground rather than through a human body or structure. The rapid flow of high fault current also ensures that protective devices such as fuses, MCBS, MCCBS, and relays operate within milliseconds. Thus, the effectiveness of earthing depends primarily on maintaining low earth resistance. Now let us discuss the preparation and collection process for home earthing system. The first step is site evaluation. Soil respective plays a circular role in determining the type and depth of the earth electrode. Soil with high moisture content such as clay has lower resistance and provides better grounding compared to dry sandy soil. In resistant areas, common method of earthing include pipe earthing, plate earthing, and road earthing. Equipment earthing ensures that all non-current carrying metallic parts are connected to earth. Neutral earthing involves grounding the neutral point of transforming or generators to control over voltages and stabilize the system during fault. Lightning earth providing a direct path for lightning surges to dissipate safely into the ground. Instruments or cleaning earthing is used in sensitive electronic system to prevent noise and signal disturbance. In industrial testing, earth grates or made earthing system are commonly used. This involves drawing a network of interconnected conductors beneath and broad surface across the plant area. Vertical earth electrodes are insulent and great inflections to reduce overall resistance. This grid ensures uniform potential distribution and minimize surge voltage during fault condition. The preparation of